So I had a couple of decisions to make this morning, coffee in bed or out with the dogs. And I got out with the dogs. So, and I feel better for it. It's mad to think that this place is just sort of like, come on guys, back this way. This place is like a 2-minute drive from my house and on the edge of the M60 in the middle of Manchester. So I just want you guys to take a little bit of time for yourselves today. Make a decision that will make you feel better about yourself, feel good. And it is just for you. Bringing up kids and coming out of relationships and things like that, you forget who you are. And so today, for me, make a little decision, share it in the comments if you like, but just make it for yourself and just tell me how you felt afterwards. It's just for you, no one else. So let's go guys, have a good one, let me know how you got on. Thank you.